Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is CSS Float Properties. What we discuss on today? CSS Float tutorial for beginners. Today, I will explain each and everything step by step with coding. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel and click on bell icon also. You can directly get the notification to your mail ID. Okay guys, I'm going to coding. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. Here I am write the div class equal to 1. First of all, I will explain CSS Float. The float property is used for the positioning and layout on web pages. What is the use of position float property? The float property is used for positioning and layout on web pages. The commonly float properties are float left, float right, float inherit, and float none properties. I am using float left, right, and none and inherit properties to explain one by one. Image source from images folder. ID equal to pic. Okay. First of all, once we will check the output. Yeah, this is the output for this HTML. Next, I will write the simple CSS for this. Margin 0, padding 0, and next 1. Workflow auto. Dark green. Next, dash thick. Width 100%. First, I am explaining float left. So we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, width. Sorry. Here, float left. Image is the float left. Here I am writing the float left for image. Here I am writing the padding 10 pixel to image. Yeah, this is the padding 10 pixel per image. Next I will write the float right. Yeah, this is the output for the second div. Yeah, this is the output for second div. Suppose I am write the float none for first pick. Float none. Float none. Output is this type. Float inherit. Float inherit means the element in inherits float value. It's a parent. The element inherits the float value of its parents. Okay guys, this is the float property. This is the process to work the float left, float right, and the float none and the float inherit properties. Okay, I am going to explain clear property. Yeah, this is the image one, and second div one, and third one, and fourth one. Suppose one, two, three, four. Yeah. Okay. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Sorry, this one third one, and this one is fourth one. Here I am write the clear dot to clear left. Yeah, this is one. Clear left. Here first one is the first one and two is the without clear, and second one is the second image, and the sorry third div and fourth div are the with the clear properties. I am write it here. 3 is the image with float right. Here I am clear the float property, so it's clear right. So this is the output. So guys, this is the process to write the float property and the clear properties. I hope we all are understand the how to write the float and clear properties. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.